taking it slowly. I'm afraid to be lonely, and nobody told me it's harder than I thought to tell the truth. It's gonna leave you in pieces, all alone with your demons. And I know that we need this, but I've been too afraid to follow through. Hold me close and I won't leave, 'cause it hurts when you hurt somebody. So much to say, but I won't leave. And I hate that I let you stop me, 'cause it hurts when you hurt somebody. Don't know where the time went, stuck in the wrong mindset now. And I let the rules bend, know that all along they're made to break. And I'm searching for reasons to keep me from leaving, yeah. And I have trouble breathing. I'll give my chance another chance to stay. Hey, hold me close and I won't leave, 'cause it hurts when you hurt somebody. So much to say, but I don't speak, 'cause I hate that I let you stop me. Hey, hold me close and I won't leave, 'cause it hurts when you hurt somebody. So much to say, but I don't speak, and I hate that I let you stop me, 'cause it hurts when you hurt